Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is called Cyclone City Soccer and Rolling Thunder. Quite simple. You've got a couple of blocks down the back of the baseline, okay? And you've got a couple of soccer balls. You can do two things with it, okay? So what will happen is I like to use the netball thirds, okay? The middle third is where all the action happens, okay? So if you're in between your thirds, so if you're in the far third or the other third up the other end, you're pretty much safe, okay? You can get your ball and go from there. But the action actually happens when you're in the middle. So you can have maybe one-on-one. So what happens is you can do two things. You can take the ball and dribble it, like soccer, take it up, okay, and try and score a goal. Scoring a goal, or in this case, hitting the blocks down. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to do it. You've got blocks there. You can even put a goal there, or maybe if they hit the back wall, they get a point. So you've got a lot of ways to score in this game. Mainly, the main thing is what I do is if you hit the goals down or hit the blocks down, that's your win. Okay, that's the whole concept. Now, there's two ways you can do this. Obviously, you're going to have people who love soccer and have a shot from there. Keeping the ball below the knees. Okay, that's most important. I even go halfway up the legs. Okay, the lower leg. All right, but also rolling thunder. You can roll the ball too. So you can learn how to roll the ball. So you're actually doing 10-pin bowling. Up to you how you want to do it. Now, they say in an older situation, can they switch between them? Absolutely. They can flick the ball up with their foot, grab it, and hold it in the middle. And what will happen is from there, the person blocking has to actually stand in front and block. They can't tag them out. They've just got to block it. So the person rolling has to work out how they're going to get around. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Now, with the soccer, if they steal the ball, you can have your one-on-ones. That's fine. And just take the shots. What I like to do too is that they put a dot down on the area. So similar to a lot of the other games where it's a safe zone or somewhere you can stand where you can't get tagged. Once you get to that point, you can have a shot or a roll or whatever. So it gives the opportunity for the kids to actually shoot without having a defender on them. Okay? So you do that on the opposite side. So if they're on the left side, they cross onto the right, get to that dot, then they can take the choice of rolling or they can kick it. Now, when you're defending, you're 3 field off. Okay? And again, it's a concept. There's so many balls in here. That's where the demolition rule comes in. So you're bringing 4 or 5 balls in here. So there's a lot of different mini games going on. If you want to put goals down the back as well, as I said, you can use the goals, or if you're inside, you can use the back wall as a point, just to keep it up. So that at least there's some successes. There's heaps of successes, but as a teacher, you've got to be onto it. And I really enjoy the concept of that because then the kids get really involved and they say, I scored this, I scored that, so they have some game awareness. Really, really cool. Hope you enjoyed that game, Cyclone City Soccer and Rolling Thunder. Take care, and thank you very much for supporting AcePhysEd.